Okay, my students, continue of our topic that is nothing but design thinking tiles toolkit. If you have to learn, there are 6 steps. In previous video, we can explain the 3 steps, and now we can explain the last 3 steps of innovation success toolkit. Okay, for the fourth one is nothing but the fourth step is nothing but we want to tap the energy of early adopters. Okay, what we want to tap the energy of early adopters? A person who starts using a product or a technology as soon as it becomes available. Okay, so they are identify the people who get most excited by introduction of something, a new product or service overall at our organization, and we want to see the toolkit, what it is, an open source project or not. We want to develop at our by using some methods and tools at a technology. So as a way to express whatever they are creating, their creative spirit, so we want to track their progress from each and every step. Okay, by using the toolkit, tiles toolkit, and we want to recruit them. Okay, so we want to help others to see and experience the value by facilitating the workshops and the training sessions. It is nothing but the fourth step of design thinking tiles toolkit success. First of all, if you want to identify the people who get most excited by introduction of new products, something or services at our organization overall, so we want to see the tiles toolkit as a way we want to express their creative spirit. So we want to track their progress, each and everything, by using the tiles toolkit and recruit them to help others to see the experience of value by facilitating workshops and training sessions. Later we can see the fifth step, that is nothing but relish in the early wins. What is the meaning? We have seen some great enjoyment in that early wins. Okay, so to consistently communicate a small and medium and large success stories to help the border organizations that see the value of the toolkit, and they are internalize that innovation is to be desired and valued. What I meant to say exactly in the sense, the great enjoyment in the early wins, to consistently we want to communicate some small and medium and large success stories to help their border organizations see that value of the tiles toolkit and internalize what that introduction of something, a new product or service, it should be desired and valued. Okay, this is the concept of fifth step of relish in the early wins of design thinking toolkit success. And coming to the last one, go out of the way. What they said, go out of the way. What we want to go out of the way is nothing but we want to provide the time and space for individual contributors and teams to use and even modify the innovation toolkit in whatever way they helps them achieve their current and future goals. What I meant to say exactly, the sixth step of innovation success toolkit, get out of the way. What we want to provide the time and space for individual contributors. You want to provide, you want to support the time and space for individual contributors and teams, the main teams to use, and even if we have to do the modify also, whatever the introduction of new something products or services in the tiles toolkit, in whatever way, if you have to take whatever way, we want to help them, we want to achieve their current and future goals, whatever the current goal and the future goal, if we have to achieve that, what are the achievements, achieve their current and as well as future goals. This is the concept of design thinking tiles toolkit. What exactly a tiles toolkit is? Nothing but it is a hardware and software platform that enables internet of things application prototyping by using the custom tiles squads as a hardware devices for interaction with the real world. Okay, this is the concept of tiles toolkit. Once again, one main awareness of design thinking tiles toolkit is there, ma. It's nothing but it is a combination of viability, desirability, and feasibility. What I meant to say in the sense, if you have to do a work at home also, at our organization, at our companies, at our businesses or market trends, wherever if we have to do awareness of design thinking tiles toolkit, in the sense the combination of viability, desirability and feasibility. What exactly in the sense viability? In the sense ability to work and survive, and coming to the desirability, ability to generate the demand, and coming to the feasibility in the sense ability to be conveniently done. What exactly I want to say in the sense awareness of design thinking tiles toolkit, the combination of viability, desirability, feasibility, what that function, what that main motivation in the sense, if we have to do some task, some work will be allotted at our organization, whatever it may be, some project or some business, whatever it may be. First of all, if you have to think at mind, keep in mind the point of coming to the subject point of view. If we have to do the task, ability to work and survive, and later we want to generate that demand, and finally we want to be conveniently done that task. This is the concept of design thinking tiles toolkit, ma. Okay, in further video we can discuss the further topic, that is nothing but design thinking in cloud computing. At the topic we can see what is a cloud, what is a cloud computing, how we can done in cloud computing, how we can design at cloud with the help of cloud, how we can do the design thinking process, how we want to create the problem solving there. If we have to learn in further video, ma. Okay, up to now, thank you, ma.